Over the last few years, I've noticed on various forums, Facebook or Reddit, that KDP beginners in particular have trouble creating the right cover size and often get frustrated with it. In this video, I want to show you my approach and how I've actually never had any issues creating the right cover size. So, if you also have trouble now and then and Amazon shows you various error messages, then maybe this video is just the thing for you, so stay tuned. What are the most important tools for me to create a cover in the right size? Number one is of course Photoshop or probably any other image editing tool like Affinity Designer. And I also always use the Amazon cover calculator, which Amazon KDP itself provides. And if you use that, you're actually already halfway there. As you can see here, you have to enter various details. These concern your manuscript because that's what's used to calculate the thickness of the book. I've also uploaded an incorrect cover as a test, so you can see what error messages usually come up. As you can see here on the left side, something is wrong here again, and of course I've exaggerated it. You can see here, of course, my cover is way too small, and we need to change that now, of course. In this test book, my manuscript is 122 pages thick, and we need to enter that here now. So, first of all, we have to specify what kind of book we want to create. A paperback in this case. The manuscript type for me is black and white. The paper type is just white paper. The reading direction is left to right. I also have no idea what difference that makes. And my unit of measurement is millimeters. Since I already know what 6 by 9 is in millimeters, that's this 152.4 by 228.6. If you don't know exactly, you can temporarily switch to inches and then take a quick look and see, okay, the fourth one from the top is 6 by 9. Then you go back and then you can select the right one here, so to speak. Why do I absolutely use millimeters? Because it's easier for me to enter that in Photoshop. The page count is 122 as already mentioned, and then I just click on calculate. Then I see all kinds of numbers here. For me, the most important ones are these two here, the full cover, because that's what I'll be creating in Photoshop. I also download a template. Everything important is included here. Then it's just important that you remember these two numbers, 318.13 and in height 234.95. And now we'll go right over to Photoshop. So here you see the cover that I created really quickly earlier. And the important thing here now is that we go to Image, Canvas size, not image size, canvas size. Then switch to millimeters here. And then we have to enter these two numbers that we were supposed to remember earlier. That was basically 318.13 and in height 234.95. Okay. Because as you can see, the canvas has now enlarged as a result. We just need to make sure that our individual cover parts are adjusted to it approximately. So that would be the first step. And then it's important that we insert something from the template we downloaded here. We go to the top layer here and then insert the template file as a PNG. But it's important not to open it somewhere here first, but just drag it in. Then this template file is aligned exactly to the size we gave the canvas earlier. We press enter. And here we can now, when we're on the right side, adjust the opacity of this layer. Here I'll go to, 50%. And then I have the edges of the template nicely visible. And I can align my cover exactly to that. And I also know where the barcode is, where the spine is. In my case, I don't have to change much, but as you can see, you can view everything very nicely here. Of course, it's very important that you don't forget later to hide the template again when you save the file. But we'll just save this now, and then we'll see each other again in the KDP upload area in a moment. We're back here in the KDP upload area, and I'll click on exit now, and we'll upload the correct cover. And then let's hope that I did everything right. Upload cover. So I've skipped the upload process now because that would take way too long. As you can see, this should be the new cover now, and we click on Launch Previewer. And here it is. We don't have an error message on the page anymore. Amazon is basically happy with our cover. Of course, I could still improve it. I didn't center it, but that doesn't matter now. I don't want to upload the book anyway. And so we have a cover that Amazon KDP is happy with. I hope I was able to help you with this short video. If you have any questions, just write them in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to the channel. Hopefully we'll see each other again soon with a new video. I wish you many sales. Bye.